Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. So today I have a special guest. My grandson got me a wine tumbler for Christmas and he wanted to make this tumbler together. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video.
Now let's do this.
Well, hang on, we gotta prep it first.
Okay. That means take it off.
Take the sticker off.
Okay.
Okay, and then you need to take this sanding and sand it.
What?
Like this, very lightly. Okay?
Why?
Because we need to prep it.
You move it, okay?
Push harder. All right, here, let me do it so that...
I'll hold it.
Please don't touch that.
And then we do this. Is the top, is it this?
No.
It's a surfacing.
Okay. What color do we want to paint it?
The part of green paint I got you for it.
That green paint won't work that good.
How?
It just won't. So you want to do the whole thing green?
Yeah. Even it's green sparkles.
Green glitter?
Yeah.
Do you have a particular favorite green glitter you want?
Oh, yeah.
What?
The nicest one there.
Which one?
I think this one with the gold green one.
That?
No, that green gold one.
Green gold. This one?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Right, that's Aurora. So we need to find a...
That's really nice.
So we can use this paint.
Okay.
Hang on, let me do something. Oh, okay. Yes. Alrighty.
Okay.
Bye.
I'll get the paint already on the paintboard for you.
Okay. Hold it right. Hold it like right here.
Oh, okay. And you know what paints it.
You can paint it.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that's really cool. I can paint. Then you paint the gold silver top.
Yep.
That means you can paint this part.
Well, yeah.
Similarly, I was painted that way. Wow, is that supposed to happen?
Mm-hmm.
It claps. Oh. And you're the one that also squirts paint on it.
So as you can see, we're just using a acrylic paint to paint this. Now, it does not get painted the way that I would paint it, but I'm letting him take control. So if it's got spots missing, it's got spots missing. This is something he really wanted to do.
It's your tumbler. You can pick what type of design you want.
Well, I know, but what do you want me to put on it?
A green design.
What?
A green design. Let's check up the tumbler if there's no missing spots. And more.
That looks good.
Yep.
Okay, we gotta let this dry now.
Yeah.
And I have to wash this brush. So once we let this dry, I'm going to use epoxy to put the glitter on. And you can't do that. Grandma has to do that. Okay?
Aww.
I know, but you can help me with other stuff when we go to do the cup.
Okay.
I don't know. Okay. Aurora. Okay, Jack, come here.
Look! He's still
shoot.
there. It's inside here. Look.
Oh, okay.
That's his house. As you can see, you don't put away.
Yeah.
Let's put a chill over here.
Okay.
Chill over here right now.
All right. Now, just sprinkle it on the cup like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Hang on. Hang on. There we go. Careful, it's going to spill out a lot.
Okay, keep it on.
Stop. Okay, when you're let me dump it. Okay, get the bottom. No.
It's really hard to do the bottom like that. It's really hard to hold my hand. I like to hold my hand, not my hand. Oh yeah, I was thinking.
Careful with, don't spill it so much. Just like tap it.
You're making me smell it. Stop, Mama. You're making me smell it.
It's not spilling. It's spilling on the paper, which is okay. All right, let's.
What the heck are you doing? It's shiny. Look at that stuff.
Okay, well, hang on. I know. But I gotta do it this way
It's
first.
covered in glitter.
Yep.
The thing's covered in glitter. You don't even know what type of glitter color this thing is.
Okay, hang on. Let me see.
Oh my gosh.
It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
It's like a little more.
No, we don't need any more. Okay, stop. Don't.
On the top of the glitter. It smells like glitter.
All right, so we need to let this dry.
What the flip is going on? Tom, open the hands. You got to put that.
After 2 coats of epoxy, this is what we have. I sanded it down to make sure that it's all smooth. And now it's time for him to add the decal. All he wanted to do was put Grandma on it in a rose gold chrome because my favorite color is pink. I'm going to put this over here. Take this and rub it down.
Okay.
See it up? All over the whole thing. Either way. Good job. Okay, good job. Hang on. Okay, now where do you want to put it? It's not even. Right here. That's close enough, I guess. So that's what you want to do? Huh? Okay. Pull that little piece of tape out. Nope. Behind. That one. Now push it down. Okay, and we're going to get the rest of the back off. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to take off carefully the back. Now take it and the squeegee that way. All right, now make sure it's down there nice and good.
And then we can take the wet stuff off?
The transfer tape. Is your gum good? Okay, I think we're good. Wow, look at that. You made me a cup. Okay, so now, here, let's put a glove on.
Do you have any more gloves?
Mm-hmm. No, 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 you only need this one.
So I'm going to be doing them.
No, you're not doing epoxy, but because we put vinyl on, we need to make sure that the vinyl does not lift when I go to put the epoxy on. Because remember I said you couldn't do the epoxy?
Yeah.
So we're going to use this just on the vinyl.
It's going to be way messy.
Kinda.
Can you help me put my glove on?
Yeah. Where'd your pinky go? Okay, there's your pinky. There's that finger. Get that finger into that finger. There we go. How did you do that, dude? Okay, now. Okay. So what you're going to do is I'm going to put a little bit. Hang on, let me explain. I'm going to put just a little bit on. Now rub it all over. Where the vinyl is, just where the vinyl is. Okay, we're going to do this side. There you go. Rub it. Good job. All right, give me your glove.
Do we throw it away?
Yes, we throw it away. But I am going to make sure that I got it all. No, 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 no. Don't use that. So now we need to let and sit this dry for about 20 minutes. And then I'll put the final coats of epoxy on it.
Okay, you have to leave that there for 20 seconds so we can watch that.
Oh, yeah? I think you did a great job. Thank you. You want to say thank you to everybody for watching?
Thank you for everyone watching. It's about to be done.
So after 2 final coats of epoxy, this is what we have. And I think he did a great job. If you look really, really, really close, you can see missing things, but that's okay. You got to have something handmade from your grandchildren at some point. I'm going ahead and cleaning up the rim here. And then it'll be done. I'll let it sit and cure for a few days before I can use it. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.